Good morning, children. We have last class we have studied about the one right angle, that how the clock stops and how much right angles and how much right angles will be required. Now we will be starting with the angle, acute, obtuse, and the reflex. We saw like we'll be having a seesaw. Somewhere else you have a staircase. You have anything we are seeing like this, correct? See, this is when you have seen the slide of anything else, like slide, staircase, and the book is slanted, and the road, wherever you see, and you mark it here, and you'll form an angle. Okay. In angle only, we know that last year we have studied the angles, different type of angles. Correct, student? You have an acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, complete angle, right angle, straight angle, like this, correct? So let us discuss like this about what is there in this topic. There are the angles is smaller than the right angle, there are greater than the right angle, and we have studied it. Smaller than the right angle we represent as an acute angle, but greater than the right angle we represent as obtuse angle, like this. Okay, student. Let we study that what are there in this topic. Here, this is the what type of the angle. See here, from here to here. See, it is more than right angle. This is more than right angle means it is an obtuse angle. This is the less than the right angle. This is an acute angle. Like this, the examples are given for you people, and I'll be taking the other names. The angular smaller than the right angle is called as an acute angle. The angle smaller than the right angle is called as acute angle. These are the acute. You'll be seeing the roof, seesaws here like this. Okay, fine, student. Here and opening the books. Then the angle is greater than the right angle but lesser than the straight angle. It is called as an obtuse angle. See here, it is greater than the right angle, lesser than the straight angle. This will be represented as an obtuse angle. Here also see, and here also see here, students. Okay. Then, and we'll be having this is an reflex angle. So, for example, it starts from 12 and it is moves to 7 means it is turned towards, it is more than 180 degree, we represent as a reflex angle. Clear, student? This will be, yes, what is an angle which is greater than the 90 degree, we represent as an obtuse angle. Lesser than the 90 degree, we represent as an acute angle. Less, it is equal to more than 180 degree, we represent as a reflex angle, correct? And that is only a straight, one more angle, it is a straight angle, right angle, like that. Clear, student? This will be about this topic. Okay, let me find out the exercise 5.3. Match the following straight angle. Straight angle means it is half a revolution. Like I told previously for you people that two right angles makes an half a revolution. This is the first one. A right angle, it is 1/4 of revolution. Acute angle, it is less than the 1/4 of revolution. Obtuse angle, it is more than the half. It is a between obtuse angle, it is more than a half a revolution. Sorry, it is not a more than half a revolution. More than half a revolution, 1/4 of a revolution. It is between 4, 1 and 1.5 and revolution. Reflex angle, it is more than a half a revolution. This will be answer for this. Okay, student. I'll be solving this problem and I'll clarify UPP set. Classify each of the following with the straight, right, acute, obtuse, and reflex. See here, this is what angle? Acute angle. This is obtuse angle. This is right angle. Here also right angle. This is the straight angle. This is reflex. This is straight. This is an acute. Where that angle is there, this will be represented as you for people that is represented as an angle. Okay, student. This is represented as an angle. This is an acute angle. This is will be a acute angle. Measuring angle. They improve. See here, to measure the angles, what you require to measure the angles? You require some materials, some instrument. We can say that exact word is some instrument. So improvise that right angle tester. We made it is useful to compare the angles with the right angle. We are unable to classify the angles acute, obtuse, and reflex, but does not precise comparisons. It cannot find which one among the two obtuse angle is greater. So, in order to precise to comparison, we need to measure the angles. We need to do a protractor. We require a protractor. Last year, you have studied about what is the how to measure the protractors. So, this year also you will be having how to measure the protractor. So here will be a students that this will be type of a protractor you have seen already. I'll show you this. This is the protractor. When you start the line here, when you start the line, I'll send this video to for you people that. Okay, student. Here when you mark is your line, this will be your from where that when you place the protractor from that point you are able to take the 0. You have to take the 0. Okay. You have to take the 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. If you draw the line and you place a protector at the middle, you have to place a protector. So, you have to start here from here. Clear? This is a way of measuring the protectors. I'll send this video for you how to measure the protector. Okay. Based on this, we have a exercise. What is the measure of right angle and straight angle? Right angle means how much degree? Yes, it is 90 degree. Straight angle means 180 degree. Say true or false. The measure of acute angle is less than 90 degree. True. The measure of obtuse angle less than 90 degree. False. That and all I'll be showing in here for you people there. And this is fully exercise. And by using your first you have to see which is how much degree, then take your protector and measure it. Okay, and find out the angles between the hands of the clock. This is what angle? Straight angle. This is acute angle. This is right angle. And investigation. And the next we have to move to the perpendicular line. See here, what you mean by the perpendicular line means when the two lines intersect, an angle between is an right angle, then the line is said to be perpendicular. If AB is perpendicular CT, we can write as that AB is perpendicular to CD. See here, AB, if I'll be drawing perpendicular around us, you are seeing like this. When you have a line and it will be starting, you can observe in your day-to-day life where you are standing and observe your ties at home, and when you're standing on the road